Colours of the world, dream up your life. Every boy, every girl, dream up your life. People of the world, dream up your life. Aww. Hello, today I'm doing a body wash using essential oils. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to use coconut milk. You can buy it in any supermarket. Castile's soap. I bought this from Naissance, but you should be able to get it online. Vitamin E oil. Again, I got this one from Baldwin's, but again, you should be able to get it online or from your local health shop. Lemon essential oil. So lemon essential oil restores the skin's natural balance and reduces excess oil. So that's what you use lemon for. Lang Lang essential oil. I'm using Lang Lang essential oil and it works as a healing powerhouse and it boosts the regenerative process of your skin. So that's what Lang Lang is used for. And I'm also using lavender. It's naturally antibacterial and doesn't clog your pores. My introduction video is that you also need honey, and the ingredients say raw honey. I've actually got, because it was going half price at Holland & Barrett, Manuka honey, so that's obviously very expensive. £20 originally, reduced to 10. You can actually use squeezy honey, which I've done before, but I'm just highlighting that the original had raw honey, but in reality you can get away with just using squeezy honey. Anyway, now I'll show you how to put it all together. Okay, so I'm starting off with a 1/4 cup of honey. So it looks like it's going to all dribble out. I might need to give it a bit of help with a spoon in a minute. I'm going to use 15 drops of Lang Lang, 10 drops of lemon, and 10 drops of lavender. A teaspoon of vitamin E. Also need a 1/4 cup of coconut milk. And then you whisk all the ingredients together. And you're supposed to stir it gently to avoid making studs. So I'll just do that now, get that out of the way. Use a spoon. And then I transfer it to a bottle. Clear bottle here. You shouldn't normally use a clear bottle, but that's all I've got left. The reason you shouldn't use a clear bottle, if you are working with essential oils, it can degrade the quality of the oil. However, I'm planning to use this straight away, so it shouldn't make any difference. But if you were to give it as a soap or something, as a present, I'd suggest using an amber bottle. There you go. And the last thing I would say is shake before each use. There you go, that's your body wash. That's all from me. I hope you enjoyed that video. My name's Anne Marie, and if you did enjoy it, please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.